Today, we're creating a dancing neon letters text animation using the Neon Throbs loop effect. This adds a bright pulsing glow to your text, almost like flashing neon lights. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut. From the bottom toolbar, tap Text, then tap Add Text. Type your text. Short titles, names, or single words look especially good with neon animations. Now, open the font tab and choose a style that matches the neon vibe. Bold, clean fonts or modern sans serif fonts tend to glow beautifully with this effect. Next, tap the Animation tab, go to the Loop section and look for Neon Throbs. Tap it, and your text will start pulsing with a glowing neon flicker, giving it a lively, dancing letters look. Below the preview, adjust the duration slider. Slide left for a fast, energetic neon pulse. Slide right for a slower, softer glowing motion. Fine tune it based on the mood of your video, and that's it. You've created a vibrant, dancing neon letters text animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut Mobile tutorials.